Alright, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to use your phone's earpiece, the parts that you normally use for listening to phone calls. I'll show you how to use it as your phone speaker in case your speakers are maybe damaged or something. Alright, so for this to work, you're going to need this app called Earpiece Mode Audio Switch. I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video. Just head over to the Play Store, install the app. After installing the app, open it, then just wait for it to load. Okay, so after the app is loaded, you want to enable the button up here. Tap allow again, and then tap enable. So I'll swipe this up. Now you have the three modes. You have the earpiece mode, the speaker mode, and the Bluetooth device mode. So right now I'm currently using the earpiece mode. And if I tap here to play some audio, you can tell that the audio is coming up from the earpiece. I'm using this mic to show you where the audio is coming from. Now I'm going to stop. I'll switch it to speaker mode now, and if I play the audio is coming from down here. Okay, so you can tell that the audio is coming out from the speaker down here, and if I bring it, my phone also has another speaker at the top, so audio comes out from here and here, so you should be able to detect it. And if I switch to earpiece mode, you see now that the speaker down here doesn't work anymore. It's coming from here. So this can be useful if your speaker is not working or you want to listen to audio privately. So it can just be like a phone call. So you can just put your phone to your ear and just listen to the audio you want to listen to, so that people around you won't hear what you're listening to. Maybe when you don't have a pair of earphones. So you can quickly toggle the option from here. So if I want to switch to the speaker mode, I can tap here. You can see it has switched to speaker mode. And if I was using a Bluetooth device, this will be checked. But yeah, from here you can switch between the two. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Ask me any questions you may have, and I'll try making a video responding to your questions, like your tech questions. Alright, take care. Bye bye.